Hi, my name is Toba Rasoli and I'm a senior at UAlbany.
My name is Gavin McGuire. I go to the University of Albany and I'm an anthro major. This is the Pethick site. It's a Native American prehistoric site. We're excavating, trying to find out as much as we can about the occupants here.
So this is UAlbany's field school. It is exclusive to us. So this definitely gives you experience. You actually can't go to archaeological grad school without doing field work.
This site in particular is very unique to UAlbany, and the amount of experience that we get and how active of a site this is unique.
I like to dig. I like to get really dirty, so I'm always in there digging. You have to screen. There's really no time to sit around.
Actually being able to put skills into practice and doing practical archaeological work is really, really helpful and useful.
It's very different like reading something in a book and then like holding it in your hand, because when you hold it you can, especially like a biface tool, you can feel exactly where they chipped it off, exactly where they sharpened it, and you realize what you're holding, that somebody maybe 10,000 years ago made this, held it, they had a family. It's more than an artifact, it's like something that was part of somebody else's life.
Doing something physically rewarding and finding artifacts, you almost feel as though you're present in history.
Now I'm just sitting here like remembering my 6-year-old self wanting to be an archaeologist, and here I am in field school. So I feel like you should just always take the opportunities as they come. Just do it, right? Just do it and see where it takes you.